In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress locally to your computer so you can practice making websites. Now, the advantage of doing this is it's completely free to install WordPress to your computer. You can get the full WordPress functionality and you can practice making your website without having to buy like a domain name or website hosting. So if you want to try out the WordPress interface and see if it's for you, then this could be a good option and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so to install WordPress locally, what you want to do, you want to go to Google and just search for Bitnami WordPress and then click enter. Then you should find the Bitnami website. So go ahead and click on that. And if you then go to the right here, we can download WordPress on your computer. So I'm going to download for Windows, Mac or Linux. So once we've done that, we can scroll down even more. And you can see here I'm going to download for Windows. And no thanks, just take me to the download. Go ahead and click on that. Now we can download this file and we'll just wait here while the file downloads. Okay, so now it's downloaded. All there is to do is run this program and that should then bring you to this installation wizard. We can click on OK for the language. We can then go next, next again, and next one more time. Now what you can do, you can enter in your real name. You can enter in an email address if you want to, it doesn't really matter. The most important thing is your login details and the password, so I'm going to leave the login on user and I'm just going to give it a password. So once you've done that, go ahead and click next and next again and then next one more time. And now it should be ready to install and we can click next one more time and we can now wait for Bitnami to install. This shouldn't take too long here, so I'll be back once it's installed. Okay, so now that that has been installed, we can now click finish and it will launch Bitnami. And we can just click here, access WordPress. That will take you to your WordPress blog here. So what's happening here is all of the WordPress files are downloaded onto your computer and you can access and edit them in a web browser. So to get to your blog, you can just type localhost/WordPress. And that will take you to your WordPress website here. Now, if you wanted to edit it, what you would do, you would just go ahead and add login on the end of that domain. So localhost/WordPress/login. And we can then log in. So I'm going to log in here. And here we go. We are now inside the dashboard. And we can go and edit our WordPress website however we'd like. And then all of the edits that we make are going to show in real time on our website. So I hope that video was helpful. Please do leave a like and comment down below if it was.